Josh move from the neck down. And he cannot voluntarily move his hands or his legs for any kind of functional reason. Like he can't pick anything up. But it took him about a year to learn how to hold his head up, and he's really great at it. He has his headrest on the back of his chair, which he doesn't really use that much unless he's really tired. So he holds his head up entirely on his own, and he's doing really good at that. We're so proud of him for doing that. Yes, we are. But from the rest, he is paralyzed from the rest down, but he's working on gaining strength again. You can see the videos of him standing up, and he's doing really great at standing up. And he's getting stronger every day. So we'll see if we can get those legs working, what we can get those arms to be doing. And you just laugh and everybody coming in and out of the house, aren't you? You're just such a happy guy. All right, love you.